Hi, I'm Chad Peterman, president at Peterman Brothers. Wanted to bring you some news here that just happened recently where we were able to partner with Habitat for Humanity in installing a new heating and air system along with the ductwork and all the things that go along with that in a home that they were building for a family. Our tremendous team here at Peterman really came together, our install teams, gentlemen who designed the system. It's a lot of fun to see our team in action, especially when it's for a greater good. When it comes to giving back, we here at Peterman Brothers take it very seriously. I think a buzzword that you hear often out there is family owned. And because we are family owned, I think it's important that we take care of not only our people here like family, but our community as well. We're all so very grateful to be able to work with each other on a daily basis, and it can truly multiply when you take that gratitude and spread it around your community and allow others to share in those blessings that we all enjoy. Our partnership with Habitat for Humanity on this particular project is actually part of a larger initiative that we have here at Peterman, where we give away a new heating and air system each quarter to a deserving family that may be in need or has done something exemplary in the community, and we want to kind of honor them. And so what I'd like to do is ask for your help. We're actually looking for our next nominee that we're able to help out with, and what better way than to ask you guys out there if you know somebody. So feel free to click on the link in the description and leave someone's name that you feel is deserving, that we can potentially reach out to and get them the help they need. Thanks again for watching. Excited to share that news with our partnership and Habitat for Humanity. Come back again next time for more updates with us here at Peterman Brothers.